Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hard zooms in After Effects. First, open your composition and select the layer you want to zoom. Next, go to the Transform Properties and Fine Scale. We'll be setting keyframes here to control the zoom's intensity and timing. This method is straightforward and gives you excellent results for dynamic video editing. To begin, place your playhead where you want the zoom to start and set a scale keyframe, usually at 100%. Then, advance your playhead just a few frames, perhaps 5 to 10 frames, depending on your desired speed. Now, increase the scale value significantly, maybe to 200% or even 300%, to create that sudden, hard zoom effect. This quick adjustment makes a big difference. For a truly hard zoom, you'll want to adjust the keyframe interpolation. Select your keyframes, right-click, and choose Keyframe Assistant, then Easy Ease Out for the first keyframe and Easy Ease in for the second. This creates a rapid acceleration and deceleration. You can also fine-tune the speed in the graph editor for even more precise control over the zoom's impact and feel. To enhance the realism of your hard zoom, enable motion blur for your layer and composition. This makes the rapid movement appear more natural and less jarring. Consider adding a subtle camera shake effect using an expression or a preset to further amplify the impact of the zoom. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic sock deals and other helpful resources. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.